Good morning. I'm in Bohol Tropics ba? Yan, nakalagay yung name sa pool. Bohol Tropics Resort, no? So it's a hotel and resort. So we are having our national convention here for the Philippine Institute of Environmental Planners. Let's just go over yung facilities, no, ng hotel. Malaki siya. I think this is the biggest hotel in Tagbilaran City. This portion, no, they have 2 swimming pools. What is unique about this hotel is the area has protruded, I think, no, sa portion ng dagat. I think it's a reclaimed area. There's a port portion here, siguro for private ano to, guest from a private seaport, no? They have a private seaport here. Okay, private seaport here in the area. So this is the seaport area of Tagbilaran City. I think that is the ocean jet, no, na ferry that we rode from Cebu City. So these are malaki tong facilities ng Bohol Tropics Resort. Lakad tayo, no? Tingnan natin. They have the resto here, no? Resto area. Ayan. Let's go over this side. Pwede pa kaya to, ganitong mga structure, no? Lumampas sila sa dagat in this area. Yan, no? Mangrove area pa nga yan, no? This portion. Okay, Tagbilaran is I think the only city in Bohol. So Bohol is evolving itself as a very nice tourism destination. The other day we had a island tour. We drove all over Bohol for 28 hours. Now may sleeping time na mga 6 to 8 hours lang. We covered almost 400 kilometers, including yung mga inside na road network. Yung facilities niya malaki. Cafe Atanasio. So ito yung area namin na portion, poolside area. Dito kami sa mga cottages good for 2 here na area. Hindi kayo maligo dito. Just go over here hanggang doon sa kabila, no? Yung mga cottages nila. Tingnan natin yung mga, this is yung center nila is the receiving area, no? Parang reception area. Dito marami din pala dito. Okay. Hanggang doon, no? Yung mga cottages malaki. Hanggang doon pa. Malaki nga talaga tong Bohol Tropics na area. I think this is the area going down, no? Sa dagat. Let be going down na. Kasi we'll be preparing something, a lecture this afternoon. Malaki siya, no? Very nice. Tapos yung sa green na portion na yon is the convention area. So we're almost 500 ata yung delegates. Kasya naman. no, yung area. They have their ano to, the reception area. Maganda to. Ang ganda yung upuan. Okay, including this one, the area, the reception area. Okay, so dito yung mga room namin na this portion. Okay, signing off.